Week 5 project. This week's project is practical and immediately useful. Think of a real work challenge you are currently facing. Maybe it's improving team morale, launching a new service, or solving a recurring customer complaint. Apply the 5-step AI problem-solving framework we just covered. Define the problem clearly for the AI, generate at least 10 potential solutions. Evaluate the top 3 options with pros and cons. Refine the best option with implementation steps. Create a brief action plan with milestones. Bonus challenge. Create a 1-page visual summary of your solution using Canva AI. A simple, clear graphic you could share with your team or manager. This week is about proving to yourself that you can be both creative and strategic, with AI as your creative partner. Next week, everything changes. We move from using AI as a tool to building AI agents that work for you autonomously. Week 6, Introduction to Agentic AI. See you then.